Assalamualaikum and good morning to everyone. So today our group will be presenting about Internet of Things. So let me introduce you to the members of this group, which is Daniel HAQIM, SYAHMI, which is me, and one NAJMI YUSUF. So what is Internet of Things? Internet of Things, IoT, is a network of connected devices that share data with each other and the cloud. These devices, ranging from smart home items to industrial machinery, that use sensors and software to gather and transmit information automatically. Into the next one, why IoT is important. So first thing first, IoT can improve efficiency. What I mean by this is that IoT devices help businesses automate processes, boosting efficiency and productivity. For example, sensors can monitor equipment, spotting problems before they cause downtime. This reduces maintenance costs and keeps operation running smoothly. And other than that, it also data-driven decision making. IoT devices produce large amounts of data that help businesses make better decisions and develop new models. Analyzing this data provides insights into customer behavior, market trends, and operational performance, enabling smarter choices in strategy, product development, and resource allocation. Lastly, it will be cost savings, as IoT reduces manual work and automates repetitive tasks, helping businesses cut costs and boost profits. For example, IoT devices can monitor and optimize energy use, lowering energy costs and enhancing sustainability. So, how do IoT works? A simple situation is when a smart thermostat senses the room's temperature getting too hot. So what it will do is that it will send this temperature information through Wi-Fi to the home central smart system. So the smart system will analyze the temperature and realize that the ideal temperature set by the user is 24 degrees Celsius. So it decided that the room needs cooling. So the thermostat will automatically lower the temperature by turning on the air conditioner to bring the room back to 24 degrees Celsius. So, Assalamualaikum. My name is YUSUF bin AZMI, and I'm going to be discussing about trends of IoT. One of the most notable trends of the past decade has been the rise of smart cities. Cities around the world, including Singapore, Barcelona, and Copenhagen, have implemented IoT-powered infrastructure to manage resources more effectively by integrating sensors into waste management, traffic system, and energy grids. Cities can optimize operations and improve the quality of life for their citizens. Other than that, the healthcare sector has experienced a notable transformation due to IoT-enabled devices. The emergence of wearable health monitors and remote patient monitoring system have empowered individuals to take control of their health data and provided healthcare providers with real-time information. So for the second part, I'm going to be discussing about the future trends and challenges of IoT. A significant trend is the increasing focus on IoT security. Profoundly, as more devices become connected, the risk of cyber attacks and data breaches grow. High-profile attacks such as the Mirai botnet in 2016, which leveraged IoT devices to launch distributed denial of service (DDoS) attacks, highlighted the vulnerabilities in IoT system. Future IoT deployments will require robust security protocols, including encryption and regular firmware updates.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad HAQIM, and I'll be presenting about the architecture of Internet of Things, the architecture of IoT. So, for starters, the architecture of IoT can generally be divided into 5 layers. Those simpler models may have 3 or 4 layers. These layers describe how data is collected, processed, stored, and acted upon. So for today, I will explain about how IoT go through these 4 layers. Now, for the 4 layers, we would have the layer of perception, network, processing, and application. We'll go one by one. Now, the first layer is the perception layer. This layer is the hardware layer responsible for collecting data from the environment through various sensors and actuators. Devices that are used in this layer include sensors, which detects temperature, humidity, motion, pressure, and light, actuators, which controls devices that perform actions based on commands, and key functions of this perception layer is data collection, detection, and signal transmission to the next layer. For the next layer, we would talk about network layer. This layer is responsible for transmitting data from the physical devices to central system or cloud platforms for further processing. The common technologies used include wireless communication technologies such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and ZigBee. Other technologies are also used such as wired technologies, which is Ethernet and fiber optics. The key function of network layers is used for routing and transporting data across different nodes, ensuring efficient and secure communication. Moving on to the processing layer, which is the third, this layer processes, analyzes, and manages the large amount of data received from the network layer. Key components of this layer includes the data storage, which is cloud database or distributed storage system, the edge computing, which performs data processing, the middleware, software that integrates different devices and applications, and the key function of the processing layer is the data aggregation, analysis, and control logic, often using artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning algorithms. Last but not least, we have the application layer, which is the fourth layer. This layer represents the end user services and applications that interact with the data and provide actionable insights. Common use cases included smart homes, which controls the lighting, thermostats and smart appliances, healthcare, which remote health monitoring, and industrial IoT, which can be said about predictive maintenance and automation. We also use application layer for agriculture, which is used for precision farming and automated irrigation. Now, the key function of application layer provides specific service based on the process data, user interface, and actionable insights. That is all from me. Thank you.